Dao Cheng, the ninth prosecution witness in the City Harvest Church trial, did an about-turn today and gave clear and concise answers in court. Senior counsel Kanan Ramesh presented Fung with audit working papers of both CHC and Extron Productions from 2008 and 2009. These papers included handwritten notes from the Baker Tilly auditors which showed that they were aware of the transactions relating to the issuance and redemption of the CHC Extron bonds, the advance rental from CHC to Extron, and the purchase of the Riverwalk property. Fung also agreed with Ramesh, who is the defense lawyer for Sharon Tan, that professional skepticism and careful inspection of the transactions would have been applied by the audit team. Earlier this morning, Ramesh suggested that CHC's discreet support of the crossover project was integral to the success of the outreach mission. The ultimate goal of the crossover project was to reach China. Given the sensitivity of spreading the gospel in countries closed to Christianity, the distance between CHC and Sun's music career had to be maintained as far as the public was concerned. Fung agreed to the statement, saying that he personally had no difficulty with CHC investing in the crossover project, or that these investments took the form of bonds. As long as the auditors were given a clear picture of the investments made by CHC, the church's interest was not compromised. Today in court, BlackBerry messages and email exchanges from July and August 2008 were shown. These were consistent with previous emails that suggested a meeting had taken place between Fung and some members of the CHC management team. The new evidence submitted established that Fung had been kept in the loop with regards to the Ferna bond agreements, Extron's acquisition of Riverwalk, and transactions between Extron and Justin Hurd's management. Rounding off his cross-examination of Fung, Ramesh revisited CHC's financial statements for 2007 and 2008. He also referred to emails and Fung's electronic diary to establish that the Risk Committee of Baker Tilly had been consulted on findings of the audit fieldwork done on CHC and Extron's accounts. Fung was already a member of the Risk Committee at that time. The Risk Committee had discussed issues like the use of CHC's building fund for investments in Extron and fair valuation of the Extron bonds. With regards to the issue of CHC Extron bond transactions, the Risk Committee had recommended for the disclosure of related party transactions. However, this recommendation was not reflected in the financial statements of the church in 2007 and 2008. Ramesh suggested to Fung that between the time when recommendation for disclosure was made on 28 July 2008 and the time when the CHC accounts were signed off on 21 March 2009, a decision must have been made within Baker Tilly to change the recommendation made by the Risk Committee. Fung denied comment, stating that there was no indication of a follow-up in the documents. Court will resume tomorrow at 9 a.m. For more information, log on to citynews.sg. I'm Sandy Yeo, City News, Singapore.